The team who showed the most interest in me after the season. We was together a lot last year in Athens. We were together in Russia, you know, so maybe that played in the factor of them, you know, wanting me. And Zaragoza has always been, you know, a top team here in Spain. The fans are great. Every year I play here is always full arena. And me and Stan played together 2 years ago, so we formed a very good friendship. So him coming back here was a big part of me coming here as well. I think improved this off season. I think we improved as well. We have a mixture of older guys and young guys, so that should, you know, help us a lot. I think with me and San Miguel, we bring veteran experience. We've both been in the league a long time, and with Hyvely, you know, he's young, energetic, you know, a lot of talent. So I think we have a mixture throughout our team with, you know, veterans and young guys. And as far as the league has got better as well, a lot of the teams. I mean, for me, I'm a guy who lead by example. You know, been doing that my whole career. I'm just trying to show guys, you know, I'm coming here to work hard, trying to be vocal and bring my experience. And I'm not much of a talker, but, you know, lately I've been talking more and just leading by example, you know, bringing it every day, doing the extra work and, you know, being a good teammate.